Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and we are previewing our newest listing here in Babcock National. This is Terrace Unit 145. It's the Birkdale floor plan, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, right around 1,200 square foot. This comes with a full golf membership here at Babcock National. Let's run inside and take a look. With the Birkdale floor plan directly to the right here, this is your master bedroom, big enough for a king-size suite. And then you have his and hers closets, the master bath here with the singular sink, the commode, and the standalone shower right there. Coming back out into the entry area, directly across from the master, we have your guest bedroom here with your bifold style closets. Then we have the guest bath right off the guest bedroom here. And here you have the singular sink, the commode, and now you have a combination tub and shower. Back to the main hallway here, you've got your laundry space sitting right here with full-size washer and dryer and additional storage directly above that. And then this opens up into your great room design here. You've got your kitchen overlooking your living spaces here. You've got a full stainless appliance package, beautiful white cabinetry. Big pantry right there on the end. You've got your island overlooking your living spaces here. And then you've got your nice dining area overlooking the views here with the bay windows. And last but not least here is the exterior lanai space. This is a tremendous view here. We are on the top floor. This is one of the penthouse units. That view right there, arguably the best view that you're gonna get here in Babcock National, with lake views all the way around. All right, guys, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.